This Fanttik rotary tool was sent to me so I could try it out and let you know what I think. Listen, I am one of those people who has a ton of tools, and yet in a couple of years we're going to be going full-time in our RV. So what I've been in the market for are tools that store neatly and easily and in a contained sort of space. This fits that bill. How often am I going to need a rotary tool on the road? Hard to say. But if I have the ability to pack something that has small form factor like this and give me the ability to actually have the tools that I'm going to want to use when I'm on the road, then I'm all for it. So let me show you this because I think it is off the charts awesome. So everything you need is right here in this little container. Okay, so it is made of this metal material, really lightweight. But you're like, well, where's the tool, Chrissy? So it gets stored within this container. So as you can see, it's all fully self-contained. But you press this little button, which is actually part of the tool, and you pull out the tool itself, right? So that's cool, right? So there's that. And then you pull this out. This is crazy. Boom. All of your accessories that you could possibly need are right there. And it rotates to give you all the other accessories, right? The only thing I would say, listen, I'm a big fan of this thing, so I'm just going to start it with saying, if I had to find something I wasn't crazy about, this is all this type of tool, okay? So all of these tools, but there are other things like that they include, which is fantastic, in this little box. And this little box has like a magnetic lid on it, so hopefully you don't lose it. It just lets you sort of keep it on there so you don't lose the lid, get the thing you need, and then close it back up again, which is great. But why is this not part of the form factor, right? So in my mind, like, why doesn't this, if you put this in here, put that in, I get you can't fit everything in there, but why not make the magnet here on the bottom and on the top so that you can put it there, and now it is really all one set. I don't know. But listen, if I had to find one thing, if that's the only thing, the tool itself works great. So, you know, you can't really complain about these things. But it's just sort of an idea I had. So Fanttik, if you're listening, consider that. Anyway, this is so cool to me that it includes all of this stuff that you might need. It's got buffing wheels. It's got little cutting tools. It's got diamond wheels. It's got so many different things that you could possibly need and be able to use with this tool. So the way this functions, which also I think is pretty great, there's a charging port right here on the bottom, which you can charge with the included USB-A to USB-C charging cord, but let's be honest, we all have a million of them around the house. So what you do is to turn this on, you switch this little bottom part to on, and then you press and hold this button. So worth noting, I was touching it thinking it was more like a touch screen thing. So you touch it, it's not going to do anything. It's actually a button, so you have to press and hold it. It always starts at that 3-line mark, but it goes up to 5 lines, 4 and 5, which is high RPM. In fact, that brings it up to 25,000 RPMs. Or you press it one more time, it brings you down to the very lowest, which is 5,000 RPMs, which still, for the record, is pretty dang fast. This is another cool feature. Look at that. It has a light at the end of it. Oh my gosh, the number of times I've been trying to use a rotary tool on something and I couldn't see, but they included that. They thought of that. I feel like that's just a smart little touch. Anyway, but your tool goes right here in this slot. You put the tool in there. Let's use a engraving tool. And also, by the way, these are just in here with magnets. So this is all magnetic. So you put this on, boom, magnet. Love that too. So anyway, got the little engraving tool. So I'm going to put it in here, and you put it in by, this is a little lock button. So you press the button, and then now this is sort of locking the inner part there. So then you can turn it to loosen it, which you need so that you can actually get the tool in. So once you have it loosened, you put the tool in, then you tighten it down. I finger tighten it first, but in this little case is a little wrench. And with that wrench is how you're going to tighten down the tool in full. So again, press that lock button. Now use your wrench to tighten it down. Okay, so now it's tightened down. So you put it on, press and hold, and now it's going. So really, really easy to put on. I'll show you how it works in a second. I just also wanted to show you on the inside of this little case, you have some sanding bands, right? Little sanding bands, and then some cutoff tools. And those cutoff tools, this is the wire brush that they include. Then they have some buffing wheels and some replacement cutoff discs. This is the sanding drum on this. To change out what you put on here, you just loosen the tip of that with the screw, and the little wrench has a screwdriver on the end of it, so that's what you're going to use. And then you can put your, other cutoff blades or whatever on there. So really nice and handy. I love how they include all this stuff in one little container. You have everything you need. You don't have to wonder, do I have it? Because you do. I promise. It's there. If you can't find it, then that just means you need to look harder. That's what my wife would say. This is a fantastic form factor. Fanttik has really knocked it out of the park with this. So if you're thinking about getting a rotary tool, this functionality is incredible and you should get this one.